Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, you join us still at Piper's Heights, and we've been busy making some films, but I did get the chance to watch Darren from Atlantic Caravans video that he just dropped on YouTube. And he was mentioning that Elddis are going to be potentially discontinuing making touring caravans, certainly in the UK. And it got me and Juliet thinking about this because things have changed, especially at the shows, haven't they?
It has. We've noticed, especially over the last 2 years, because we've been going quite a bit.
Yeah.
We have actually noticed that the caravans have gone less and less.
Yeah.
How many there were? I mean, especially at the Manchester show, they were behind everything else, weren't they?
It was tucked in a corner,
Yeah.
like almost forgotten. And it led us to think, is touring caravanning on its way out? And is the new king the motorhome and the camper van? So that's why we did the thumbnail that we did, because we feel it could be. But also, touring itself might be stopping.
Yes, that's another big change. Is a lot are looking at a seasonal pitch now because the price of fuel, the price of a tow car now to pull a bigger caravan, and obviously looking at some of the newer caravans, the 8 foot wide twin axle, they are quite a big caravan, and they said you can look at it the size of a small static, what it used to be.
Yeah.
So they're looking at putting them on a seasonal pitch.
Yeah. I mean, we was talking just before we started to put the camera on, and it was like years and years ago, the evolution, the evolution was a tent, a trailer tent, a caravan, and then a motorhome, in that order. But as Juliet said to me, well, you explain, love.
Yes, we said because been going to the shows and we've been chatting to people, especially when we were up at Glasgow. We were talking to quite a few people just come into it, and they seem to bypass. Bypass from even a caravan straight to a motorhome, because they were saying that when they looked at purchasing a tow car, a bigger car than they had, with a caravan, and they said, well, it's quite a lot of fuel if we're not using it all the time.
Yeah.
So we decided we'll go and get a motorhome instead.
Yeah, and just run a small car at home.
Yeah.
And that's what we've been picking up on, like Juliet said, at the shows and various other places, and just talking to people as well. And it's, like I say, is it actually dying? I mean, I know, don't get me wrong, there are people that are still buying, but apparently, I believe the figures for new caravans is about 9,000 a year, which when you think about it, it might seem a lot, but it's not really.
Not really, when you think throughout the UK, only 9,000 caravans per year is then coming into it. It's not a lot when you look at how many then come to the end of the life of the caravan.
Yeah.
That said, for whatever reason, become scrapped. It's not there's 9,000 all the time coming in. There are those going out as well.
Correct. And the other thing is as well, caravan prices, they've just recently gone up apparently. Second-hand caravan prices have shot through the roof. They've gone up by 12%. Now, this is an unusual thing at this time of year. You'll have to forgive us, it's just decided to chuck it down. So if you can hear the noise in the background, it's the rain. And it's a shame, because we've had a lovely time. Anyway, we digress. So we keep asking ourselves, is it coming to an end, touring caravanning?
I think there's always going to be a place for touring. There always is going to be, but I think a lot are looking at more at seasonal pitches. They're going to seasonal pitches for the majority of the year, and then taking it off sometimes for their main holiday. That's what some are looking at now.
Yeah, indeed. And, I mean, it's not something that we've considered. Well, certainly not yet anyway.
No, not yet. But we said you look at trends of what people are doing. So
yeah,
we've chatted about this before to other YouTubers. And when we said in some ways, it might be the beginning of the end.
It could be. So anyway, like we just said, what do you think the way Touring Caravan's going? Thanks very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.